Hello tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing crispy, crunchy, spicy mochi rice nuggets. This is a sequence, like not really a sequence, but a new version of another this thing. Exactly the same price, $2.99, which is linked above. It's just it. And this is just a spicy one. The other one is just plain, just original. Nutrition facts and ingredients may contain traces of soy and wheat, and the label is in fire. And let's open it. The other one, the plain one, my father said it was a disappointment because he didn't really enjoy it. I absolutely love it. You guys will see me enjoying it in that video. Open. Fire. Because it's not like a yellowish whitish color like the original one. It is fire, obviously. Pour it at an angle. There you go, that's it. You guys want to see it? All right, let's go. Let's taste it. I'm gonna taste it first. Daddy. Mine. Quickly. It's spicy. Cut. Boy, you guys saw me, you know, that fire. We gave half of it to my mother. So her mouth was on fire, my mouth was on fire, my father's mouth was on fire. No way. There's a package that's thin because there's nothing inside. Not gonna eat it again, no. I get it why it's spicy, because it really is spicy. At first we thought it was covered with cinnamon or something, because it looks like cinnamon, but actually it's like paprika or something. But when I tasted it, the second I put it in my mouth, or licked it or even, like my mouth's on fire. Do not taste it, or else you get a fire in your mouth like a dragon. Unless you want to become a dragon, you guys can do so. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and watch the other mochi video. And I'll see you guys back on the brown table. Or otherwise, bye for now.